Hello YouTube, welcome to another episode of Random Reskins with Phlanka. Let's just get straight into it. Spin the reels, let's have a look at what we're skinning today. So Sawed-off Revolver. The red guy, the devil guy from Cow and Chicken, I like this guy. On that texture. This should be pretty bloody easy to do. So let's have a look for the Revolver. Revolver. Sword. Sawed-off Famous. Sawed-off B95. I'm guessing that's what it's called. We shall find out in a second if I click on this image. It is called... oh, Sawed-off Magnum. Magnum, there we go. So it's in pistols, Magnum. There we go. Okay, so let's get in there. So DayZ, weapons, pistols, Magnum, Sawn. So, as normal, I'm going to do some magic here you can't see. Avacadabra, we have an MLOD. So let's get this copy, this file path, go into DayZ, into Blender. Let's create a new one and go to import Armor 3P3D. Paste that in there, Sawn-off Magnum. Let's have a cleanup. I'm speedrunning this one, by the way, so hopefully you'll be able to see how easy this is to skin quickly. We're not going to be able to skin the barrel for some reason. The barrel's not... that's actually a magazine. That's probably why. We're not going to skin the magazine. We're just going to skin the actual gun. So I'm going to delete that bullet. We don't need the bullet. Let's skin this. So let's go to DayZ Textures, apply base material, head over to shading. I'm going to press home key on there so it focuses there, and home key down here as well so it focuses that. I'm going to minimize all these just so I can zoom in a little bit better for you. Let's start with the base texture, which it told us to use, which is a diagonal grid. Which one looks best? It doesn't say anything about colors, so I can mess around with the colors at least. Let's search for seamless in here. Seamless. Not seamless X. Seamless. We'll go with the... that one will do. That one will do. So I'm going to just press Window, Shift, and S. Grab the top corner there, come down to the bottom corner there, and there is our seamless texture. So if I open it up in my screenshots, so let's just jump straight to my screenshot so you don't see everything else. We have it down the bottom, down here. So I'm going to click on that, hold it, and while it Alt-tab into Blender and drag it and drop it there. Put on the base color. I'm going to press Control-T. So I want to try and do... wait, let's have a look at the UV. The UV is clean, kind of clean. I'm going to go to Generated, grab the Generated, put it onto Vector, and change this to Box. It gives it more of a universal look to it. It kind of fit universal. I don't know what the fuck that means, but something like that. That's good. I kind of want to make the black a bit more pronounced, so I'm going to add a ramp in here between the color and this color. See how the line goes white? Just drop the ramp on that and drag the blacks up so a bit more pronounced like that. I can also change the black to a different color, so I can make it like a blue, or should I make it like a green on black? So I'm going to change this white one to black as well. Oh no, there's a red devil guy in it, so I can't make it too much. I'll do it black with white. I'm just going to go white. That's not white. Saturation down. I'll bring the blacks closer as well, so it's really defining the color. That's good. So there's that texture done. Let's add the devil man. So decal, I'm going to extend that. Shift A, search for... actually, wait. Let me get the Magnums and no HQ, because I want to see what this model looks like with a no HQ on it. So file, save as. Just so I don't put him on something stupid and then he's got like bumps all over him. So save this as a PNG. Like so. And drag that on. Oh, drag this into Blender. Like so. Change this to non-color. And we're going to put it into DirectX normal. So see, I can see where the grip is now on this gun. I can see where the barrel and stuff easily is. I mean, I could see the barrel before, but I mean, if I had to put him here, it'd have been on that bit there. So I'm gonna have to put him. Where can I put him? Obviously, I'm gonna put something there, but I want to do it quite big down here. Let's get a picture of him. So let's click on this image link. Search for transparent. I literally put it as a space as well. It's fucked. Oh, it's got to be the dude, his ass hanging out. It's got to be like that. Leave a like if you remember Cow and Chicken, because that show is fucking awesome. An IR baboon. Right, how do I download this? It's gonna make me fucking pay in it. Wait, did it say registration required? Or am I just going fucking stupid? It'll automatically download in so and so. I don't want to wait. Let's have a look. Yes. Okay, so let's create a new image texture on here. Shift A, image. Create new. I want to make this 2K times 2. Change this to alpha 0. I'm just going to call this on decal. There we go. So new image. And then with these two, I'm going to connect the alpha to the alpha of the decal, the color to the color of the decal. And let's paint this red guy on here. So I'm going to go straight to the side view like this. And then decals, load custom texture. Decal, sorry. Downloads it'll be in. This guy. I'm going to save this to my library, to my random reskins, and then switch to texture paint mode. Apply the custom decal. So it's kind of facing the right way to get wrapped all the way around this grip over here like this. But I don't want to get his head on the thing, drawing that bolt. I'll do it like that. I'm going to paint it through as well. So I'll go to settings. No, I'll go to tools first, and then options down here somewhere. Options, turn these two off. So I want to paint this on. It should go straight through to the opposite side. So, yeah, there you go. Paint it through onto that side as well. Let's see if there's any other images for him. Just a real quick one. Something like this would be cool. Download. Click here. That downloads. I'm going to load the decal again. So, load custom image. This one. Save decal to library. Random reskins. And then go straight to the Y view again. So it's a side view. I'm going to put him. Oh, where can I put him? I'm going to put him on the barrel there. We'll zoom in a bit more. Like so. I've got cramp in my foot, so if you see me pulling weird faces or making weird movements because I'm trying to stretch my toes out. I gotta save that. So I'm gonna go to images up here in the little, what they call it, a hamburger menu. I'm gonna go there, image, save all images. And I'm also gonna go to file, external data, pack, automatically pack resources, and then go to file, save as. I did try in episode 6 earlier, but it kind of fucked up, so let's just overwrite that one. So here we go. Now let's bake this out. Let's go to, we're in the tools already. Let's go back into object mode so we don't see all the brush stuff. There you go, DayZ Texture Animator. Let's load this up. And the original class name for this, again, I can't remember what it was, so we're going to go to, don't need that open anymore. Let's go to the DayZ Wiki, and the class name is that, Sawed-off Magnum. So paste that in here. Sawed-off Magnum. New class name is this cramp's killing my toes. Episode 06. Or was it episode 6 _ RR? Alright, display name. I'm just going to copy that, paste that. Put that there. Let's go to website. Let's get this bit, the red guy from Cow and Chicken, on a diagonal grid. Put that in the description. Let's go back to the config for the weapon, which I haven't even opened yet. So let's have a look. Pistols. I've got Magnum config. I'll look for sword. Oh no, we don't need to go to sword. It's just at the top of the file here. That's what we're looking for. So copy that. There we go. As for the hidden selection, let's have a look. If I press, I'm pretty sure it's going to be one of these two actually. I'm not going to press anything. Let's see if it's in the config first. Saw. I'll just put saw. Sawed-off Magnum. It doesn't say it on there. It'll say it in the original Magnum class. Hopefully. And I don't see the hidden selection part. God damn it. Alright, so I'm gonna. It's one of these two. Go to edit mode. Select Zabitech. So that's that. Camo don't select anything. Okay, so it is Zabitech. That's the one we want. Go back out of edit mode. By the way, to go in and out of edit mode, I press the tab key on when I'm hovering over whichever one I'm on. So I'm press on here, press tab like this. If I click on this, press tab, I go inside the node. Press tab, I go inside another node. I click that up arrow there to come out of it. So back to the baking process. So it was Zabitech. I'm going to call this one Mag. No, because then it'll think it's a magazine. Then I'll think it's a... No, I won't. I don't know what the fuck I'm on about. Magnum. There we go. Magnum. We just want the color. We're not doing anything else to make any modifications. I want use full margin. That's about it. And we're going to hit generate. Just threw me vape on the floor. Okay, that's finished. So let's go to DayZ. Let's go to a random reskins. Double check the images there. Oh, no, it's not. Where the fuck did I just output that to? Oh my god, I put it to mod folder. Let's change that to random reskins and do that again. The fuck am I doing? Alright, let's try that again, shall we? There we go. Episode 6. So it's generated the blank RV map, but that should delete in a minute because we're not using an RV. Okay, it's generated the RV map anyway. Let's have a look at that. I don't want the RV map. I'm going to use the original thing, which should be in here. Yeah, I don't even call for that RV map that I just generated. Nope. So episode 6 of Zabitech. It is calling the RV map, but it's calling this one. I don't know why it did that. I'm being stupid. So save that. So I can use the original Magnum RV map. And that's done. Let's go to PVO project. Crunch this. It's gonna be a quick video today, guys. So since it was a quick one, and you watch me reskin a Magnum with a random texture on it, leave a like. I'd appreciate it a lot. And also subscribe. I don't know how to do all this YouTube stuff. Asking people to do things. I hate asking for anything. So, excuse the awkwardness when I ask you to like and subscribe. I need to hire someone off Cameo or something to ask you to like and subscribe to my video, because they'll probably say more emphasis because they're used to begging, hence why they're on Cameo. But I don't like begging. It's just that I don't like awkward silence either. So while I'm on a YouTube video, I might as well say it. But yeah, anyway, do you know how I start my videos with, what did I say? Hello, YouTube. I might start changing it to something else, because everyone that watches this, you're not called YouTube. But what can I call the people that do watch this stuff? What do you like to do? You like to skin weapons, like skin clothing. I'm going to start calling you skinners or skinheads. But no, skinheads sounds very fucking racist. Let's not call you skinheads. We're going to call you skinners. So I'm going to start my new videos with, hello, skinners. That even sounds weird. Yeah, hello, skinners. Welcome to YouTube. That's what I'm going to start doing. You're probably going to not see this part. One more. That's the head strap I was trying to make earlier. So there's the pistol. Actually, it's pretty fucking sick. I like that. Let's get a screenshot of that so I can put it on my Discord. But that there is how you do the Magnum reskin. I really like it. So if you like this I'm gonna beg you now. If you like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe, because I'm really happy with that skin. It looks really sexy, and I will see you skinners in the next video. Thank you for watching.